Are you a technician? Yes, I'm a technician. So you are repairing all this heavy? Yes. On the next day, taking out the engine, the clutch replacement. Do you like your job? Sure, I like it. Okay, I got it. And something more, maybe is it blasted often? There were blowing ups. And what do you do in these cases? How do you fix it? Regarding what blowing up, because after the latest one it was impossible to fix it. This was in the 2nd Battalion. The trophy Kamaz. Together with anti-aircraft mount. That should be here, but it isn't put here. The bulletproof vest as well is not ours, but Russian one, yes?